Hey, George. What? NFT. What? Nice f***ing tie. I don't think you really know what that means. Let me explain it to you.
Get ready to change the world, one blockchain at a time, with George Levy, your single source of truth for blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency.
Hey blockchain visionaries, I'm George Levy, and in this channel we talk blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe so you can always find out whenever I publish brand new videos, which I do every single week. And every single thing I'll be talking to you today, all the links are included in the comments section. This next video is actually based on my course Cryptocurrency Fundamentals, which you'll be able to find. This is one of the lessons that we're going to talk about NFTs. There are millions of dollars being invested in NFTs, and it's a great new opportunity. And if you don't know what NFTs are all about, this is the video for you. Let's do it. Let us now talk about NFTs. There's a massive opportunity in NFTs, and once you understand the concept, you'll see exactly why it is so valuable. To do so, I want to start with an example, and what you will see is that the CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, sparked a bidding war for an NFT consisting of the very first tweet ever. That is, you have the opportunity to buy the NFT to own the very first tweet that ever took place. This is the kind of opportunity I want to tell you about. When you're looking at something truly unique, that there's only one in the entire history of mankind, you can do so through the use of NFTs. Let me explain exactly a little bit more by talking about what NFT means. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Many students have been writing to me, and viewers of my videos have been asking me how they can get started in Bitcoin. In fact, they're seeing all the activity with the price of Bitcoin rising and things like Tesla buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and they don't want to be left behind. So I'm going to tell you right now a very easy, safe way that you can get started with Bitcoin. Now, what I'm going to give you is not financial advice. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm telling you is what's worked for me, worked for countless students in my courses. Even my father has taken this approach successfully. And what you really need to do is you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin. You can actually buy a fraction of a Bitcoin, and you can do so using Coinbase. Now, many people, if you go to Coinbase, you can actually buy Bitcoins from Coinbase, but using a very special offer link that's available for this viewers, and I'm actually presenting it on the screen and including it on the description to this video, you can actually get a free account at Coinbase. You can get your free cryptocurrency wallet with Coinbase, and you can buy $100 or more of Bitcoin and get a bonus $10 of free Bitcoin additionally. So think about it. You can get started with as little as $100 if you buy Bitcoin with Coinbase using the link that I'm presenting you. And additionally, you're going to get an extra $10 worth of Bitcoin absolutely free. Now, this offer is available only using the link below, which I'm also including in the description. But take advantage of it because you can get started very, very quickly and safely using Coinbase like millions of people around the world and like me. And you can do it in the process of buying $100 or more of Bitcoin and get an extra $10 worth of Bitcoin absolutely free. So I hope you'll take advantage of it. Use the link presented here. And let's go on with the rest of the video. To explain what that means, let's talk about the concept of fungibility. Fungibility is when something is of such a nature that one part or any quantity of it can be replaced by another equal part of quantity, such as in paying a debt or settling an account. Let's go exactly, and this is actually according to Merriam-Webster. Let's make it easier by actually showing you a visual. If I were to pay you in $100 bills for anything, you don't care if I give you the first bill or the fifth bill or the 20th bill. You just want me to keep giving you $100 bills. You don't care which $100 bill. All $100 bills are the same. I can just give you $100 bills, and you don't care if I give you the first one or the last one. You don't even care if one is dirty. You don't even care if one got wet. You don't care. All $100 bills are the same. This is what fungibility is all about. When something is fungible, they're all worth the same. Let's take it right now to Bitcoin. This is a transaction where Laszlo Hanyecz, an engineer, actually bought 2 pizzas. And this is a historic transaction in Bitcoin. It actually took place on May 22nd, 2010. and he paid 10,000 Bitcoins for those 2 pizzas. As you can see, this transaction included 10,000 Bitcoins, and you can actually look at all the different transactions, and it was just more and more Bitcoins. All the Bitcoins were the same. The person that sold those 2 pizzas didn't care which Bitcoins he sent them. He just cared that he got 10,000 Bitcoins, right? So actually, I'm giving you this example not to tell you that 10,000 Bitcoins is what you should pay for 2 pizzas. Historically, this is a very important transaction in Bitcoin. But the point remains, Bitcoin is fungible because 1 Bitcoin is the same as another Bitcoin. And if I'm actually paying you for anything and I have to pay you, say, 3 Bitcoins, you don't care if it's the first 3 Bitcoins that I ever received. You don't care what Bitcoins they are. You just want 3 Bitcoins. Okay, let me give you a comparison now by showing you Satoshi Nakamoto, which is one of my crypto kitties. And actually, this is one of my crypto kitties. This is a non-fungible token. This is an NFT. And I'm going to give you exactly how it works. In fact, Satoshi is actually one of my crypto kitties. And every single one of these crypto kitties is unique. It is a non-fungible token. In fact, if you actually go on Ethereum on a block explorer, you can actually look up exactly the token of when I bought Satoshi Nakamoto. You see that it's right here. Now, the interesting thing about it all is that if you look at another one of my crypto kitties, for example, this is C, the transaction is also recorded on the blockchain. It's clear that I bought C. And because I control the address that actually received this unique non-fungible token, I am the owner of C. And the entire world can see it recorded on the blockchain. Very similar to if you send me some Bitcoins, I have a transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain showing that I received those Bitcoins. There's a permanent and immutable record of the transaction of me receiving those Bitcoins. Well, same thing happens when I acquire a non-fungible token. There's a permanent and immutable record on the blockchain showing that I received that NFT. Now, what I want to tell you what's interesting about these is that you saw 2 of my crypto kitties, like just showed you actually my collection, but I showed you Satoshi and I showed you here C. But I'm going to show you other crypto kitties so you understand the opportunity here. This is Genesis. This is actually the first crypto kitty ever made. And actually, it sold for, at the time, $114,000. That was 246 Ether. The prices have changed, but the sale of Genesis cost 246 ETH, Ether. Now, let me give you a different crypto kitty, and this is a unique, different crypto kitty. This is Dragon. Dragon sold for 600 Ether. That was, at the time, $172,000. But if you actually look on the blockchain, there's a record of the sale of Dragon. Here's Dragon, and it shows you that the value of Dragon was 600 Ether. But guess what? The price of Ether has gone up since the sale of Dragon. So the person that actually sold Dragon and received 600 Ether, if they haven't sold those Ether, those same 600 Ether are worth over $1 million today. Why? Because the price of Ether has shot up, and it's actually around $1,671 right now. So that's what I want you to take into the concept of these digital assets. These crypto kitties, you can actually sell them, and you sell them and you get paid in cryptocurrencies, and if you don't change them into dollars, well, the price may fluctuate. You might actually be worth more. Let me give you even more opportunity for these NFTs, because crypto kitties are just one type of NFT. Other examples that you're seeing, the National Basketball Association, the NBA, has actually put out a new product called Top Shot to issue NFTs around their teams, around their players, and they actually just grossed over $230 million, which is breaking records right now. And that's just for the NBA Top Shot NFTs. These NFTs are making their way into many different areas. So the lesson I want you to take away from this is that you can invest in NFTs. And just like you can buy some Bitcoins, you could buy a unique NFT representing something. And that NFT has a value of its own, because to a collector, for example, buying an NFT that actually represents an NFT that's licensed with the name of LeBron James, for someone that's a fan of LeBron James, that could be worth a very, very large amount of money because it's unique. And because you have a permanent and immutable record on the blockchain proving that you are the owner of that NFT, it is truly valuable. So to close this lesson, I want to make you aware that there is actually a very large marketplace called OpenSea, which you can find at OpenSea.io, where you can actually go and you can buy, sell, and even create your own NFTs, non-fungible tokens.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something in the process. I bring you brand new videos every single week, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm George Levy. We're changing the world, one blockchain at a time. See you next time.